In the heart of Italy, where the rolling hills echo with the melodies of centuries-old traditions and the aroma of savory herbs dances through the air, there exists a culinary masterpiece that transcends time and tantalizes the taste buds like no other. Chicken Cacciatore. Picture a rustic kitchen alive with the sizzle of succulent chicken, bathed in a symphony of tomatoes, garlic, and fragrant herbs. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the countryside, this dish emerges from the depths of culinary magic, promising a journey into the soul of Italian flavor. Join us as we unravel the secrets of Chicken Cacciatore, a symphony of taste that beckons you to savor each moment and revel in the passion of Italian cuisine. Lighter Chicken Cacciatore. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 slices prosciutto, fat removed and chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, a bunch of sage sprigs, 2 rosemary sprigs, 4 skinless chicken breasts or thighs, preferably organic, 1 cup of dry white wine, 400 grams of plum tomatoes in natural juice, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 225 grams of chestnut mushrooms, quartered or halved if large, small handful chopped flat leaf parsley to serve. Heat the oil in a large non-stick frying pan. Tip in the prosciutto and fry for about 2 minutes until crisp. Remove with a slotted spoon, letting any fat drain back into the pan and set aside. Put the onion, garlic and herbs in the pan and fry for 3-4 minutes. Spread the onion out in the pan, then lay the chicken breasts on top. Season with pepper and fry for 5 minutes over a medium heat, turning the chicken once until starting to brown on both sides and the onion is caramelizing on the bottom of the pan. Remove the chicken and set aside. Raise the heat, give it a quick stir, and when sizzling, pour in the wine and let it bubble for 2 minutes to reduce slightly. Lower the heat to medium. Return the prosciutto to the pan, then stir in the tomatoes, breaking them up with your spoon, tomato puree and mushrooms. Cover and simmer for 15-20 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and reduced slightly. Then return the chicken to the pan and cook, uncovered, for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Remove from pan and serve the lighter Chicken Cacciatore. Thanks for watching.